Hello my people, how na dey? Hope na dey fine. This video make we watch am together. Before we watch am, make I tell you na one thing. According to this video, according to wetin the woman dey talk, this one, the two of them be husband and wife. This woman, if una dey look and see say e get belle. So this woman, according to wetin she dey talk for inside the video, this man, he gave another woman belle, another girl belle. So now she can't tell am say, as far as say you give am belle, I just dey say me I just fast am. He say make he take the girl come house. He said the way they come they do for her, the thing not come clear. You know, she na woman. Just because of saying she no want may go abort the pikin. The girl not get anywhere where go, you know, because now you give am belle, now you go put am for house. Now that's the man. Say can't tell am say make them come house. He said so he can't get the way the man content they do. They even they do baby shower, gbogbo, all those things. So now this woman provoke for year. Can't they follow your husband, they do both bars. Wetin me, I'll put away wash am. Wetin me, as I they watch this video, I even they shake. Me they shake, you know. Because he get belle. If you see the way the woman say they give the husband both bars, like saying a small pikin, not be only that one. Because even they fear, make the man not go push am, you know. May not go knock am. No say some man, you don't try that too. Before you raise your hand, they don't put you for where you belong. When we watch this video, then I will tell now. Wetin make me bring her come.
The street girl you brought into this house, you are doing baby shower in the same house that the children. You have children inside. Stop calling me your own house all the time. Are you crazy? Are you mad? I think I try here. Probably make she show me rock it. Whatever you who go that girl and we go for. Mama I get me. How's your house when you want? Is she your wife or what? Is she your wife? Is she your wife? Sis, they give you to chop. I am asking you, are you doing baby shower in the house that the children are? You're telling me your house. Are you stupid? Because I let her to stay in this house. I know they follow me, they talk illegal. You get praise for it. Are you stupid? You keep on telling me. Okay, now they follow me, they talk nonsense. And they follow you, they talk to you, they talk. Michael. This thing where you did for this house yesterday, sure you make sense to your eyes. Yeah? You did inside the house, they do baby shower for who, your wife or be who. Or God, they follow you, they talk. Why I not go match? Why they follow you, they talk? They press me. You sure they give me? I know the person when you can't even in a pala or them. In your public house. Meaning what now? House your own. In your public house. House your own. You sure they give me? House your own. You get as they do. So before I do something for house, I will contact. Oh, God, they follow me. They talk illegal. You get praise for it. Because I leave this girl to stay here because of meetings. He don't they push me too much. If they push it to come too much, you see, say few days now, I never follow and talk anything. Like I never follow you do anything. You talk. I just keep quiet day by day with my children. Now you use your hand now, they find my trouble. You use your hand now, they find my trouble. That girl, I agree for her to stay here. Indoor. That particular room that I gave to her, let her not pass that room, enter my sitting room or do any other thing in that house. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? But you're beginning to pass boundaries. If you want to do your nonsense, you want to do with her. I've told you and I've warned you several times. Go far away. Go to fast distance and do whatever you want to do. If you try this nonsense next time, you will not like it. I am telling you the fact. Stop calling me your own house all the time. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you stupid? You keep on telling me. Okay, now they follow me, they talk nonsense. And they follow you, they talk, they tell me your house. Your house, meaning what? Your house, meaning what? Is she your wife or what? Is she your wife? Is she your wife? You're telling me your house. Are you stupid? Because I let her to stay in this house. You're not passing your boundaries. You are doing baby shower for who? Who? For the street girl you brought into this house. For the street girl you brought into this house, you are doing baby shower in the same house that the children, you have children inside. For the same house that your children are inside. For the same house that your children are inside.
If you raise on me again,
I am asking you, are you doing baby shower in the house that the children are, or in the house that a barren woman woman is?
I will wound you.
Haven't I given you 2 children? Haven't I given you 2 children? I'm asking you, is she going to give birth to Jesus Christ? Is she going to give birth to Jesus Christ? I'm asking you. Is she having Jesus Christ in her womb? You know the reason why I let her be in this house? I'm just waiting for her to give birth to that Jesus Christ, so that you do DNA test. But after the DNA test, you're not the owner of the child. Ah, God. You can't like him again. I swear to God Almighty. I have sworn several times, and I'm still swearing this morning again. The very next time you will try nonsense in this house, this girl again, in fact, you've not seen my true color. That is when the main color will start coming out. Because I've shown you small, and you think I'm a fool. Abi, I've told you several times, time without numbers. Carry this girl, go far distance and do that. When you were sleeping with her, you were not sleeping with her in this house. Until you got her pregnant. You are not showing the carry up and down. Were you sleeping with her in this house? Because I let her to sit here. If you want to do anything with this stupid girl here, take her to far distance where you meet her. This house is not a house for Olosho. And the very moment you try nonsense in this house again, you will not like it. Because I have kids in this house. You have no right to misbehave anyhow in this house. Are you okay? Don't you have sense? Next one, what will happen? Next one, what will happen? Land me the slap. No, try it. Try it now. See the face. Slap. 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 Since you don't have shame. Since they give you to chop. They give you to chop. As long as you don't want clear for your eye, you won't try to pass your boundaries. You will not like it. Because it's not as if I'm a barren person. I have my children for you. You have a boy, you have a girl. So I don't know the Jesus Christ that she have in her womb that will be making you to misbehave all the time. If you feel you have money to take her, to carry her and do whatever you want to do, take her far distance. And the very moment you get her here, make she show me rock it. When I miracle, who go that girl and we go for Mama I hear me. And the way I miracle, ma who go and I bagagi. Try again, Jim, and I give me. And I come is your house, is your house. On go to Baquadia. Very stupid man.
My people, Jonah don't see that video. No be smart, you know. As I see this video, I need to bring her come. I believe say then they do their thing. Wetin I see you, okay? Maybe then they do their video, but you know, say some women be like this. If you be that woman will be like this, her best sister, not try more. Say maybe you get belle, okay? You get belle, you can't they do your husband like this. I believe say now that one and they try to do out, okay? So women na so them be. If you be that woman, not try and raise your hand. Even though no matter what that man they do, if you no fit, carry yourself, go another place first. May you fair go boom, okay? If you want to take any decision later, you feel do one. Because now small thing, na person, it go just like picking like this. Just push on the person will just fall. Belle, everything. You before you know, they'll come say nah, the person don't buy. As I see this video, I was shocked. I said this thing they happen to many women. And me, I know they like women where be say they raise their hand to their husband. Mat day to talk. You know, say some women they get that pepper body. We no get hand to raise. We no get hand to fight man. Which hand you get where you want to follow man? You not go fit it. You see how this one just come so men know they come like that. So even though say he get belle, he not go try and make it come. Instead of make it go outside. He go make sure say he give am gboza for his face. He not go even consider and say he get belle na pikin carry. He not go try and go say no woman on this earth go feature first of all raise hand. That one na truth. But when he get belle, just like okay, maybe now the or more everything make I just leave. So no they leave. Oh, as I see this video, I need to bring her come forward now. Maybe then they do waiting some people they pass through for inside house because. If you see her, you see say camera they there. You know say social media na content na come for everything. But as I say make I bring her and come. Make some women, if you know say you be that kind of woman, you see the way the woman talk and say he give her on show belle, he can't carry and come house because she want make the woman come house whether after he done born whether na the husband I really get the pikin all those things. But if you be that woman where be say your husband do something like this, I know say real woman not go say me carry the woman come house. Everybody know that one. But for this act where they act so, if you be that woman, I use God say beg you, no matter wetin, even though say you no see anywhere go, if na abroad you dey, you better just call assistance make dem carry you go somewhere. If na Nigeria you dey, you better just find somewhere go, find your papa, find your mama, find your friend, go sit down for there. The best thing na good pass. So that is that, my people, because me I no dey support women wey dey raise hand. I no still dey support men wey dey raise hand. You fit talk, you fit break something, you fit dey like just dey talk or carry yourself go outside, na be the best. Because why? Where you want go knack and you no know, if you just fuck pekere, especially woman wey get belle, you know say sometimes the BP go up, sometimes it go down. If you just knack and na bye bye. That is that, my people. Help me to love and like and share this video for me. If you be woman, I beg, not use your life to play with anybody. Not let any man touch you, and you also not touch. Use man to talk. Pieces sound with your mouth, the best. Than where you go they like go they drag with them, go they do one. No, the man not be all men they take out. He go give you back. Oh, you not care. Bye bye, my people.